This video is brought to you by mywayteaching.com.
I am explaining you about uncertainty in measurement. Okay, so in that uncertainty in measurement, I explained you the scientific notation. So in that okay, in scientific notation, I explained you about exponent form, correct? In that I have already explained you exponent form, that is scientific notation is over. Now I want to explain you about significant figures. Okay, so what do you mean by significant figures and all? So I will explain it in detail. Significant figures. Okay, significant figures are meaningful digits which are known with certainty. I have already given the definition for significant figure. Before going to this, data to illustrate precision and accuracy. Okay, so you should know what do you mean by precision and what do you mean by accuracy, and what is the difference between precision and accuracy. Okay, so just I will explain you about I will give the example for that precision and accuracy. Okay, precision and accuracy. Before going to this is the example I am giving you. So consider student 1, student 2, uh, sorry, consider student A, and this as a student B, then this is a student C. Okay, so here the first experiment, and this is the experiment. Second, this is the average. Okay, so consider before going to this, the first is if the true value for a result is 2 gram. Before going to this, precision refers to the closeness. Okay, precision refers to the closeness of the value, closeness of various measurement for the same quantity. However, accuracy is agreement. Okay, accuracy is agreement of a particular value to the true value of the result. For example, just here true value is true value. Okay, this is 2 gram, this is 2 gram, true value is 2 gram. And first consider the student A takes two measurements, this is 1 and this is 2. Okay, in and he reports that the result is 1.95 gram and 1.93 gram. So he resulting that 1.95 gram and 1.93 gram. So as the average, how much he is getting? That 1.940. So this is in gram. Okay, so he is getting the in the first experiment he is getting like this. So these values are precise as they are close to each other but are not accurate. Okay, from this just you can say that this is the average, but which is what precise means they are very close to each other. For just 1.95 is close to each close to 2 gram, correct, like 1.93. Then consider student B. So but they are not accurate. Okay, then consider the student B. The same experiment, another student repeats the experiment and obtains what 1.94 gram and 2.05 gram, 2.05 gram. So okay, so average he is getting 1.995. like a student C is measuring 2.01 and this is 1.99, he is getting accurate 2. So these are average you considering, means the average they are very close to each other for the 2 gram, but accurate what we are getting, this is called accurate result. Means when the theoretical value and practical value both when the theoretical value practical value are matching, so that you can say that that is accurate value. So okay, then next is about I will this is about the significant figures. Okay, significant figures are the meaningful digits which are known with certainty, and there are the some of the rules for significant figures. Okay, there are the some of the rules for significant figure. First rule, please note it down. The first rule, okay, all non-zero digits are significant. All non-zero digits are okay, the all non-zero digits are significant. So I will give you example here. Consider 285 centimeter, so which is having non-zero, means there are 3 numbers are non-zero, so there are 3 significant figures are there. 3 significant figures are there, like consider 0.25 ml. In that can you give me how we can just by applying this all non-zero digits here, this is a 10 digit, so only 2 non-zero digits, so that's 2 significant figures. So this is the first point, and the second point is second point is zeros preceding to first non-zero digit are not significant. Such a zero indicates the position of decimal point. Okay, zeros preceding to first non-zero digit are not significant. Such a zero indicates the position of the decimal point. Example I will give you for this. Consider 0.03. It has one significant figure. Okay, next to 0.0052, which is having how much? It is having 2 significant figures. This is a significant figure. Okay, significant figures. Next, the third point. Okay, zeros between 2 non-zero digits are significant. Okay, zeros between the 2 non-zero digits, that is called significant. I will give you the example. Please note it down. Zeros in between the non-zero digits. Example for this, 2.005, which is having a 4 significant. Why it is 4 significant figure? Because these are the 2 non-zero digits. In between these zeros are coming here, so this is about like this. Next, the fourth rule, zeros at the end or right of a number are significant provided they are on the right side of the decimal point. Okay, for example, for this 0.200 gram is there. Okay, which is having a 3 significant figures, means after the decimal, means, but if otherwise the terminal zeros are not significant if there is no decimal point. Consider, okay, so this is the 100. Okay, has only one significant figure, which is having only one significant figure, means the non-zero digit is a significant figure. These are the zeros, so that non-zero digit is a significant figure it is having. So if the decimal zeros are not significant, if there is no decimal point, okay, terminal zeros are not significant. Terminal zero. So if you are considering like this as a 100 point, okay, has a 3 significant figures, because here decimal point is there, so that it is having a 3 significant figures. Then 100.0 having how much? Please, after the decimal and decimal if comes means you just consider all these numbers. So this is 4 significant figures. Okay, so this is about fourth one point. Zeros at the end or right of a number are significant provided they are on the right side of the decimal point. Okay, and the next one is fifth one. Last rule is counting number of objects. For example, 2 balls are 20 eggs. Okay, have a infinite significant figures, as there are exact numbers and can be represented by writing infinite number of zeros after placing decimal. That is 2 is equal to 2.00000000, and then after 20, considering this is 20x, so that you can write it as 20.00000 like this. Okay, so counting number of objects. So after that you can write any number of zeros. Okay, so you are just you can be write like this. So this is about the rules of a significant figure. Okay, and before going to this, next is about this is only addition and subtraction, how we have to do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of significant figures. Okay, so please note the rules of a significant figure. So these are the 5 rules, please note it down. Okay, then I will erase it. Okay, this is just example I have given you. So so in that just coming to that addition and subtraction of significant figures. Okay, the first one is addition and subtraction of significant figures. So addition and subtraction of significant figures means, example, consider 12.11, 18.0, 1.012. So by adding this you are getting that 31.122. Okay, so this is the like adding. Okay, means the result cannot have more digits to the right of the decimal point than either of the original numbers. Okay, means the result here, whatever result I have obtained, cannot have more digits to the right of the decimal point, okay, than either of the original numbers. So yeah, in which original number? So here 18.0, which is having the last only one, after decimal there is a only one number, so that it should not exceed, the result should not exceed the original number decimal after the decimal, so that you just write the answer like what, 31.1. so this is apply for both addition and also subtraction. Okay, then come to the multiplication and 18. Here see 18.0 has only one digit after the decimal point, and the result should be reported only up to one digit. Okay, result can be only up to one digit after the decimal point, which is of our answer is 31.1. this is about addition and subtraction. Okay, then again there are the some rules we have to follow in multiplication and division of significant figures. Okay, the next topic is multiplication and division of multiplication and division. Okay, the next is multiplication and division. Okay, so in these operation the result must be reported with no more significant figures, as are there in the measurement with the few significant figures. Okay, consider the example for this. 2.5 when it is multiplied by with 1.25, so you are getting 3.125. so since 2.5 has two significant figures, 2.5 which is having two significant figures like 1.25 significant figure, the result should not exceed these two significant figures. Okay, so that you write just to only one 3.1. okay, this is about the significant figures. Sum, when while limiting the result of the requirement number of significant figures as done in the above mathematical operation, one has to keep in mind the following points for rounding of the numbers. Okay, there are some rules, so that you should follow what is there.